Webex takes the difficulty out of collaboration so you never miss a beat, like automatically removing unwanted noise. Take this guy, for example. Your meeting won't hear him or see him at all. In large meetings, focus on what's important to you. See the entire team or key in on just a few people. With Webex Assistant, taking notes is now a thing of the past. Okay, Webex, take a note of that.
Note added.
With breakout rooms, splitting big meetings into smaller groups is easy. And once you're ready, bring it all together by live streaming your message to the world. Webex makes collaboration seamless and easy. Try it for free today.